So today we're going to be using celeriac in season. We're going to be making a delicious celeriac biryani. We're going to be using the seasoned shallow casserole. We designed this to basically cook things well, and it's perfect for the celeriac biryani. We've designed this lid with all these little dimples in, and so when something with moisture is cooking, the moisture collects on the lid and then drops down evenly and bastes the dish. With a biryani, of course, it's going to baste the rice evenly with the moisture, the cooking moisture. So it's going to be amazing. And the other great thing about this, we designed it with even thickness sides and the same thickness as the lid, so everything cooks evenly. So I think it's going to be great.